It's coming back.
There it goes. Yep. Do you think it's making the noise?
Oh, you can see it. Look down below it, right below it.
Oh man, look at that, Neil. Check it out.
That's trying to hit the ground. Or it is hitting the ground. Look at it.
Oh my word.
Oh yeah, there goes the
Oh
transformer.
my gosh.
Oh. Where is that? Is that Riverdale?
What is it?
That's a tornado.
It's a tornado.
It just blew a bunch of transformers
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's a tornado.
through the tornado.
There's a tornado.
Shut up. Right there.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
Where?
it's kind of blowing apart right there,
Alright.
right above the studio. We just blew a bunch of transformers out there.
Wow.
Oh, is that why our power flickered, you think?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, there goes
Oh,
another
there it goes.
one.
There it goes. There it goes.
Wow. Oh, man.
How do I get this screen?
There it goes again.
Pretty small tornado, though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a tornado?
Yeah.
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 Straight out right there by the
Oh, yeah.
pole.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Little tornado. Knocked out a few towers, a little spark. Yeah.